Hey everyone, today we're diving into an important topic that every car owner should pay attention to:
the benefits of regular car maintenance.
Whether you're a seasoned driver or new behind the wheel, understanding why maintenance matters can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. Let's explore some key benefits. 1. Enhanced safety. Regular maintenance ensures that essential components like brakes, tires, lights, and steering are in optimal condition. And battery inspections can prevent major mechanical failures that could leave you stranded. 3. Extended lifespan. Just like regular exercise and a healthy diet contribute to a longer life, regular maintenance helps extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Properly lubricated engines, clean filters, and timely belt and hose replacements keep your car running smoothly for years. This not only saves you money on gas but also enhances your driving experience. 5. Preserved resale value. If you ever decide to sell or trade in your car, a well-documented maintenance history can significantly increase its resale value. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a car that has been well cared for. 6. Cost savings. While it may seem like you're spending money on maintenance, you're actually saving in the long run. Preventative maintenance costs much less than major repairs resulting from neglected upkeep. Regular oil changes, for example, prevent engine wear and can help avoid costly repairs. Remember, car maintenance isn't just about fixing problems when they arise, it's about preventing them altogether. By investing a little time and effort into routine maintenance tasks, you're not only protecting your investment but also ensuring